Good evening, Adve, and good evening, Advik.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
How are you two?
Fine, ma'am. Fine.
Okay, we will start our class now. And
Yes,
today
ma'am.
we will do prefix and suffix. Okay, it is there in your half-yearly syllabus, right?
Just a minute, ma'am.
Can you please send me the syllabus on WhatsApp group now, so I can see what you all have for
Okay.
exam.
Ma'am, PD grammar group.
Yeah,
Okay, ma'am. I'm sending it to you.
you are in fifth, right? So you have to send me in PD in CT5S.
Ma'am, it is allowed to the group administrator share things or messages.
What?
Ma'am, in the C5S group, we can share or write something because of the it is.
You are not able to write. Do one thing. You have my name is there, na, in the
Yes,
group.
ma'am.
Send me a private message.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, send it.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I got it.
Ma'am, not the prefix and suffix would become.
Prefix and suffix is also there?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. You have active and passive voice. You have formal diary entry, formal letter, informal letter, degrees of comparison, present, past, and continuous, active and passive voice, antonyms and synonyms. Okay. We'll do one thing. Let's do past, present and past continuous.
Okay, ma'am.
And you have active and passive voice. Okay. I'll do one thing. Let's do active and passive voice. Okay. Let me. Okay, let me see. I have active and passive voice here.
Ma'am, today we got the term PT UT2 papers of English.
Okay. Can you share it with me?
Just a minute, ma'am. Ma'am, I talked in the class.
Good, very good. What did you talk about?
What, ma'am?
What did you talk about in about in the class?
Ma'am, you're not audible.
Just a minute. Hello, can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What did you say?
Ma'am, I topped in my English exam. The
Very
higher,
good. That's
higher.
very nice. That's impressive. Very proud of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, I'm very proud of you.
And
Okay.
ma'am,
So
today,
I was taking out, I was searching for
active passive.
active and passive voice, and I have found a very nice video for you. Okay. And I'm going to share this. Okay. Now I'm going to share this with you. Okay. You see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Voice, active and passive.
Ma'am, I cannot see your
It is
screen.
first in the active voice and then in the passive voice. Without
You're able to hear the voice, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then.
changing the meaning or the tense. When the subject is the doer of the action, the verb is in the active voice. When the subject is the receiver of the action, the verb is said to be in the passive voice. A simple sentence in active voice has the following pattern: subject doing the action plus verb plus object receiving the action. For example, Arushi teaches Rahul. A simple sentence in passive voice has the following pattern: subject receiving the action plus be plus past participle of verb plus by plus object doing the action. For example, Rahul is taught by Arushi. In passive form, a transitive verb is made up of the verb be with a past participle. Usually, the preposition by introduces the passive object in a sentence. Remember this: the object of the active verb becomes the subject of the passive verb. For example, a doctor prescribes medicines. Medicines are prescribed by a doctor.
So this was a small video. It was just for an small glimpse of what is the active and passive voice. Okay, now I'm going to explain to you through notes. Okay, so we have two voices in English language. One is active voice and one is passive voice.
Passive.
So I'm going to give you, let us start about what is an active voice. So the active voice in a sentence denotes that the noun or pronoun that acts as a subject. The noun or the pronoun is a subject here, okay, in the sentence, and is the doer of the action. Okay, now in other words, subject performs the action or acts upon the verb, okay, it is, the action is happening on the verb. Now what is the passive voice? The passive voice, on the other hand, represents that the subject is the one acted upon by the action or verb in the sentence. It can also be said that the passive voice indicates that the subject in the sentence is no longer active but passive. Okay, it is not active. The subject, the action is happening by the object. Okay, we will understand this better. Okay, now we have using the active voice and the passive voice. There are some points that we should remember. There are some points that you should bear in mind when using the active and passive voice. In the English language, the active voice is used generally as they give the information in a direct and clear manner. Okay, this is an active voice, direct and clear manner. In case, let's say I say, please shut the door. Okay, the teacher said shut the door. Make sure you do not use a passive voice just because you think it sounds better. Use it only if it is necessary. Remember that the active voice has the subject doing the action and the passive voice has the subject receiving the action. This is a major difference between the active voice and the passive voice. The subject is doing the action, and passive voice, the subject is receiving the action. Okay, if you want to communicate your thoughts and ideas clearly and effectively, especially in a professional setup, it is best to use the active voice. Okay, whenever a person is writing an article or you are writing anything, you should not use passive voice. We often use active voice. Why? Because it is easy to understand. A pro tip of for you to master the active voice and the passive voice is to know the structure and formula by which they work. Okay, now this is, in active voice we have the subject plus the verb and then the object, and in passive voice we have the object plus the verb and then the subject. Okay, the subject is in the end in passive voice, and in active voice the subject is in the starting. Okay, now how the will let us understand how we are going to change the conversation rules. Okay, now in the present tense, we have the active voices. Brendan plays cricket. Okay, now this will become Brendan is playing cricket when we go to continuous. Okay, when we are doing perfect tense, we'll say Brendan has played cricket. When we are doing perfect continuous tense, we will say Brendan has been playing cricket. But this is all in active voice. Now, when we change this to passive voice, cricket is played by Brendan. Cricket is being played by Brendan. Okay, when we change into continuous. When we are having perfect tense, means perfect, we have has, have, right? So cricket has been played by Brendan. And in perfect continuous tense, there is no passive voice for perfect continuous tense, mostly. Okay, now when this we change to past tense.
Ma'am, in the passive voice, cricket is played by Brendan.
Yeah.
Ma'am, there is ma'am played and where uh, ma'am played is past. Then why are we using is?
Where because in active voice only we have present tense, and but we change it, we will not say cricket is, how you want to write it. Cricket is play. It will always, whenever we change it to passive voice, plays will become played. Ed. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
every time it will become played. Okay, in case we change, let us take another example. In case I say um Sita sings a song.
A
Okay,
song is a song is
a
sing
song
By by Sita.
A song is
Sung by
sung,
Sita.
right? Sung by Sita. So what happened here? Sung is changed into past tense. It is whenever we change into passive voice, the present tense, the verb changes to past. Okay, you get it?
Yes,
Whenever we
ma'am.
change to passive voice, it is changed to verb. Let me give you an example. The book, the book.
Ma'am, the continuous tense is not coming in our exam.
Continuous tense
Yes,
is not
ma'am.
coming in exam, so we will leave this out. Okay, we will not. Present continuous is not coming. Then present continuous is coming in your exam, right?
No.
It is not coming. Anyway, we will let's do only simple tense. Okay, then we'll leave this out. So Brandon plays cricket. Cricket was played by Brandon, right? And when we have a past, Brendan played cricket. Again, it will be the same. Cricket was played by Brendan because we have already in past. Okay. And if we talk about future, Brendan will play cricket. Cricket will be played by Brendan. Okay. So let me, we have, and also how active is changed by I. If we have I in, I am singing. I am singing. Okay, if or in case I say I drive a car. Okay, so a car, it will be a car is driven by me. Okay, so I, if we have in active voice, in passive voice, it will become me. So
Me.
I will change to me. We will change to us. Okay, we are playing. Okay, so it will be we are playing football.
Football will be played by us.
Yes, so we will change to us. Okay, he will be changed to him. She will be changed to her.
Her. Her.
They will be changed to them.
Them.
It will be changed to it
It
itself.
remains same.
Okay, it is my. Okay, let us see. Let's leave it out. It is very a little difficult. Examples of passive voice. Twinkle likes adventurous stories. Adventurous stories are liked by Twinkle. So likes change to liked. Okay, and Twinkle likes will change to. You see here, this is the subject
Yes.
here. Yeah, and
Yes.
this is the object here. The adventurous stories. Yeah, as the object. So when we change to passive voice, this will come in the starting adventurous story, and the subject goes here down, right? And the object comes in the front. So adventurous stories are liked by Twinkle. Let me, okay. We have some examples here. Varun is helping Rashmi.
Rashmi is held by Varun.
Rashmi is helped by Varun. Very good. A gift was given by Manasa. A gift was given to Manasa by me. So this is because it is you. We have to recognize if the voice is if the sentence is passive or active. You should understand. Often in passive we have by. By is there. So this is a passive voice. Now I want you to change into active voice.
Ma'am, me will be I here.
Huh?
Ma'am, me will be I here. I I give I
Uh,
give
I gave.
I gave a gift to Manasa.
Yes, I gave a gift
To Manasa.
to Manasa. Okay, Santa will sing all my life at the nationals. This
Ma'am,
this is a little difficult for you all level. Let me do one thing. I'll find I'll find a worksheet for you. Okay, just give me 2 minutes. Okay, just a minute. I'm sharing my screen. Fine. I do one thing. I'm going to give you some time. Okay, about 1 minute, and just write the answers in your notebooks, both of yours, and then we will discuss the answer. Okay. You
Ma'am,
see
we
my
have
screen,
to
right?
only write active passive.
And you just have to tell what is it, active or it is passive, right?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
My screen is not visible.
Screen is not visible.
Do you see now?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, again it is not visible.
Okay, just a minute. Yeah, you see now?
Yes. Ma'am, the questions are not visible. Ma'am, something like gay patterns appear on the screen.
You see now?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, yes, how many to do?
Yeah, you do all the 15.
Ma'am, we have to
Just write active wise and passive wise. You can just write A and B, A and P. For
okay,
active
ma'am.
wise, for active, write A, and for passive, just write P. One is active or it is passive, just write that. Okay.
Your screen is not visible. Not visible.
It is not visible.
Ma'am, it is visible now. But a kind of gray patches is coming.
Why is it happening that way? You see now?
No, ma'am. No.
Hmm. Let me share, try and share again. Now you see?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes.
Yes? Okay. Answer it. Hmm? इंटरनेट चला गया?
No, ma'am, no.
Okay, okay. You see, right?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Done?
Ma'am, please wait 1 minute. Ma'am, I
Okay,
just
I will wait. Just hold on, hold on. Let your brother finish. नेट ही चला गया।
Ma'am, done.
Okay. So the first one is
Active.
active. Second one,
Active.
active. Third one,
Active.
passive. It is by his teacher. Okay. Bucky is helped by Steve.
Passive. Passive.
Passive. The carpenter is building the desk.
Active.
Active. The woodcutter cut down the tree.
Active.
Active. The man dropped his axe into the river.
Active.
Active. Good. The bird was shot by the naughty boy.
Passive.
The bag was found by me.
Passive.
Passive. Natasha
Passive.
lost the money.
Active.
Active. The farmer will plow the
Active.
field.
Active.
The work will be finished by the workers in a day.
Passive.
Passive. Very good. The enemy has entered the war zone.
Active. Active.
Who sang the song?
Active. Active.
Active. The children teased the animals.
Active. Active.
Active. Good. Okay, so
Some are all are correct.
very good. Good.
And now we'll do one more exercise.
Yeah, we'll do one more exercise. Okay. So we have to change the following sentence from active to passive voice. Okay. Just do it in your notebooks.
Your
Uh,
screen is not visible. Your screen is not visible.
You see now, we see 15 sentences, right?
No, ma'am, we can't see your.
Now you see.
No, ma'am.
Wait a minute. Let me just share again. You see now?
Mom, the first sentence is yes. The dog chased.
The dog chased the cat. The dog bit the boy. You see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, can you give 5 minutes?
yeah, we'll give you 5 minutes. I'll 5 minutes, okay? Let me know when you're done. Do about 10 questions. Do only till 10. Okay? Have you done?
No, ma'am.
No.
Now I cannot see your screen. Ma'am, done. I have done the 10 sentences.
Good. Let's do the first one. The dog chased the cat. It will be
The cat was chased
The
by the
cat
dog.
was chased by the dog.
Cat was.
chased by the dog.
Ma'am, the second will be the boy was bitten
The
by the dog.
boy was bitten by the dog.
The boy was bit. When you bit, well, past tense will be bit only. The boy was bit by the dog.
Dog. The bell was rang by the peon.
The bell
The bell
was
was
rang
rang by the
by
peon.
the peon. Ram played
Ho-
hockey.
Hockey is played by Ram.
Hockey
Hockey
was played by Ram.
was played by Ram.
By Ram.
Okay. Miss Mary teaches us English.
We are
English
taught
is
English
teaches
by Miss
teach
Mary.
by Miss Mary.
We are taught English by Miss Mary.
Was taught to us by Miss Mary. Okay. Raj caught the ball.
The ball was caught by
The
Raj.
ball was scored by Raj.
Was caught by Raj. Children like sweet.
The
Sweet
sweets
liked by the children.
sweets
Sweet
liked by the
are
children.
because it is a
Sweet
plural
is
form. It
liked
builds up
by
Sweets
children.
are liked by the children.
liked by children.
The children.
Good. Rita will take a photograph.
A
A
photograph will be taken by
photograph
Rita.
will taken by Rita.
Taken by Rita. Who taught you this poem?
From you are taught this poem from whom?
Okay. You were
Mom, I didn't understand this question, so I will.
this poem by whom? Who will change to? I did not teach you interrogative sentence yet. That's why I think it was not possible
Yes,
for you
ma'am.
to answer this. The police arrested the smuggler.
The smuggler
Smuggler
was
was
arrested by the
arrested
police.
by the police. Ma'am, my only helping verbs were incorrect.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I got only two incorrect.
How many was incorrect?
Ma'am, two.
Ma'am,
Okay.
mine are
That
also
is
It
two.
was
that
the
is a good
ninth
score.
one. It was the ninth one and third one.
Okay, ninth and
Ma'am,
third.
my
Huh?
helping verb was wrong in the ninth one, and my the fifth one was whole wrong, ma'am.
Fifth one was wrong,
Mine
huh?
also. The
Okay.
second and the fifth one. I have
Okay.
seen the
Anything,
another page.
you
It
are,
was
I will give you,
incorrect.
okay, I will give you more practice, and when I
Okay,
give
ma'am.
you worksheet, I will share it on WhatsApp group. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. You understand now active voice and passive voice, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Good, good, great. Okay, then we will end our class now.
Okay,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye.